Hello guys, in this video, I will show you a comparison between Webull and TradeStation, and I will help you to decide which trading platform suits you better. So let's break them down in key areas. Number 1, user interface and experience. Webull offers a slick, modern interface that appeals to newer traders. It's intuitive and mobile first, making it great for trading on the go. On the other hand, a TradeStation is more traditional in design, but it provides a highly customizable platform, which is ideal for active traders and professionals. Number 2, tools and features. TradeStation stands out with its powerful charting tools, scripting language like Easy Language, and advanced order types. It's built for serious traders who need deep analysis. And while Webull offers solid charting and market data, but it lacks the depth and customization that TradeStation provides. Number 3, asset availability. Both platforms support stocks, ETFs, and options. However, TradeStation also offers futures and crypto, giving it an edge for more diverse trading strategies. And Webull supports crypto too, but it lacks futures. Number 4, costs and fees. Both platforms are commission-free trading on stocks and ETFs. TradeStation may charge fees for certain advanced tools or account types, while Webull keeps most features free, including real-time market data. Number 5, education and support. Webull caters well to beginners with tutorials and a learning center, while TrainStation meanwhile provides more professional level resources and webinars suited for experienced traders. So for final verdict, you can choose Webull if you are a beginner or intermediate trader looking for a simple, cost-effective platform. And you can go with TradeStation if you are an advanced trader needing top-tier tools, strategy testing, and asset diversity. And that's it. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.